Welcome, Panda-Frog. Today I got a package. I believe it's from France. And it should be my LPU raffle win, or one of them. I got 3 packages. So let's check what's inside. It's very well wrapped. I always like that. I'm also an over wrapper myself, to be honest. This should be a custom-made pick. I have to check it up really quick. 1 second. It's very good, very well packed. Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Look at this. It's even more beautiful than I was imagining it. Wow. It's a little short. Nah, it's right there. Shouldn't be shorter than this, but this is perfect for me. So let's see, there was pot. Let me check which pot it was. And I'm always going for the picks because I love picks. Yes, Cinok custom pick. We got it's contributed by Cinok in France. And it's a beautiful custom pick designed and made by Cinok in France with a log tool, 0.6mm stainless steel, and acrylic handle. Oh, this is just a beauty. Let's see, do I have a log which I can... I don't really want to pick with it, but... try it out. That should work. Well, let me set up the lock and everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have the Protent here. It's I believe it's an Italian lock. Where did I buy it? Or did I buy it in? No, I think it's a Greek lock. Let me see. Oh, I bought it in. Oh no, it's Italian. It's an Italian lock. Yes. So this is the packaging. And let's try the new Cinok pick I got. And we open. For this lock, it is just a beautiful pick. For this lock, it's a little too thin. Could be a little strong. It works, don't get me wrong. For this lock, it could be a little bigger metal, but it worked perfectly. Feels good in the hand. It's just a piece of beauty. Look at this. Look at this. Huh? Look at this piece of beauty. I love it. Thank you so much, Cinok. Awesome work. Great pick. Works. Just a tip. Works great. Thank you so much. Can't wait to see the other pick I won, and also I think a mini pinning kit also I won. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.